In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a seller in Etsy. Now, before you can report anything on Etsy, you first need to be on the Etsy marketplace and inside your account. So start by opening your web browser and going to the Etsy homepage. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your dashboard, your recent activity, and your cart. Being signed in makes sure any actions you take, including reporting or contacting support later, are tied to your profile. From your Etsy dashboard or homepage, locate the specific item connected to the issue you want to report. This might be something you've recently viewed, something in your favorites, or an item that appeared in your search results. Click on that item to open the full product listing. This page is important because it contains the seller's information, item details, and options you'll use to move forward. On the listing page, you'll see the main product image, description, pricing, and customization or size options if there are any. To proceed as a normal buyer would, click the Add to Basket button. This simulates a legitimate purchase flow and helps you double-check details such as shipping costs, taxes, and any discount codes the seller might have advertised. Once the item is in your basket, click to view your cart and move toward checkout. Here, you'll see the item's summary, quantity, total price, and sometimes a field where you can apply a coupon code. If the seller has promised a discount or promotion that isn't appearing correctly, this is where you can verify that. Click on Apply Coupon Code to open the field where codes can be entered. Click into the coupon field and carefully type any code the seller has provided, exactly as given, paying attention to spelling and capitalization. This step helps you confirm whether the seller's advertised offer works as stated, which can be relevant if you're considering reporting misleading information. After entering the code, click Apply. Etsy will recalculate the total based on the discount. If something still seems off, or if the issue you're experiencing goes beyond pricing, use the information on this item and checkout page to gather your evidence. Things like screenshots, item descriptions, and your message history. With that context ready, you can then go through Etsy's built-in reporting and support tools to report the seller accurately and